Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin removing the hard drive from your Lenovo IdeaPad 110, make sure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips No. 1 screwdriver, a plastic spudger or prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the components. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. If your model has a removable battery, take that out as well. Next, locate the screws securing the back panel of the laptop. You will need to remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. There are typically about 8 screws, so keep them organized as you take them out. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. The hard drive is usually located towards the center or right side of the device. It is mounted in a bracket that may have additional screws securing it. Remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver. If you're unsure about the process or don't have the right tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After unscrewing, gently disconnect the SATA connector from the hard drive. This might require some wiggling, but don't force it. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. Once disconnected, carefully lift the hard drive out of its bay. Now, this is a good time to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use compressed air to blow out any dust that may have accumulated around the fans and other areas. Keeping your laptop clean can significantly improve its performance and longevity. If you'd like assistance with this step, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for a hassle-free experience. No calls, no travel, just a simple service. With the hard drive removed, you can now replace it with a new one or upgrade to an SSD for better performance. Ensure that the new drive is compatible with your Lenovo IdeaPad 110. When installing the new drive, simply reverse the steps you took to remove the old one. Connect the SATA cable, secure it with screws, and carefully replace the back panel, ensuring all clips are properly engaged. Finally, replace all screws to secure the back panel, and if applicable, reinsert the battery. Power on your laptop and enter the BIOS to check if the new hard drive is recognized. If you have any difficulties during this process, remember that we can provide you with a quote before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions. You have now successfully extracted and replaced the hard drive in your Lenovo IdeaPad 110, ensuring it runs smoothly with its new hardware. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.